our YouTube channel Vices Sultanpur. My name is Prem Pankaj, and again I am here to discuss a very important topic of class 10 mathematics, which is coordinate geometry. Then what is a coordinate? When the two axes intersect each other at any point, that point is called the coordinate, right? Like this is x-axis and this is y-axis. When these two axes intersect at any point, this is at 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, this is 0, this is -1, -2, -3 up to minus infinite, this is minus x-axis, this is minus y-axis, this is like 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, this is -1, -2, -3 and infinite. Okay, when the two axes intersect each other at any point, like this is 2 and this is 3, these 2 points intersect each other at 2, 3, this point is called the coordinate. Okay, x-axis is also known as abscissa and y-axis is called ordinate. This is called coordinate. These two axes divide the whole plane into 4 parts, that is first part, second part, third part and fourth part. These 4 parts are called the quadrant. 4 parts are called the quadrants. Okay, so this is x-axis which is abscissa, y-axis which is called as ordinate, and these 4 parts are called the quadrant in coordinate geometry. So if we have to find the distance between the 2 points, these 2 points coordinate will also be written as x, y. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. When we have to find the distance between the 2 points, we use the formula of distance formula. Okay, so distance formula is if we have 2 points, this is A and this is B. Coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. Okay, if we have to find the distance between A and B, we use the formula, distance formula, that is given by D or AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. These x2, x1, y2, y1 are the coordinate of these 2 points. Okay, so using this formula we can find the distance between the 2 points A and B. Now we have to discuss an example. So find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. This is point, suppose this is point A and this is point B. Point A and point B. This is 2, 3 and this is 4, 1. Okay, suppose this is as x1 and y1 and this one as x2, y2. Okay, using the distance formula, that is D or AB equals to under root x2, that is 4, minus x1, that is 2 square, plus y2 minus y1 square, that is 1 minus 3 square. That is, on solving again, this is 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. On subtracting the greater from the lesser, we use the symbol of the greater number. that is minus, okay, minus 2 square. Again 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square is also 4, that is under root 8. This is the answer. This is the distance between the 2 points A and B, that is under root 8 units. Okay, distance is always having a unit, but the units are not given in this section, so we use the meter, centimeter as units. Okay, so using this formula we can find the distance between A and B. On proceeding to this chapter, we also have some important topic, that is section formula. So what is the section? Section is if a line is divided by any point. Suppose this is a line AB and this line AB is divided by a point P. This line AB is divided by a point P into two parts. These two parts are called a section. Okay, so we use the formula, section formula, to find the ratios. Suppose this point P is x comma y. Okay, and again A is x1, y1, and B is x2 comma y2, and this point P divides this AB line into m1 ratio m2, into m1 ratio m2. So we have to find the coordinate of this point P, coordinate of this point P. So we use the formula, section formula, to find this point. So this point P is given by x comma y equals to, first point is we multiply the terms alternately, opposite terms, that is m1 multiplied by x2, m1 multiplied by x2 plus m2 multiplied by x1, m2 multiplied by x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, and again for y coordinate, this is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this x coordinate is corresponding to this and this y coordinate is corresponding to this one. So these are the two points of x comma y which divides the line AB into two parts, and where m1 and m2 are the two ratios. Okay, this is the formula only used for the internal divisions, for internal divisions. For internal division. What is internal division and what is external division? When a line AB is divided in between by a point P, it is called internal division. And when a line AB is produced to point P and this point P is now dividing line AB, when AB is extended to point P, this is called the external division. And for the external division, we find this point P as m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2. Okay, and this is m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. Only replace this plus signs with that negative signs, we get the point P for external divisions, and for internal divisions we use this formula, right? So in board examination there are a lot of the questions which the examiner asks to find the ratio and to find the coordinate of this point. Okay, now solving a question which is find the ratio in which the line segment joining 1, -5 and -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Okay, This is -4, -1, -2, -3, -4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, first coordinate is 1, -5, that is x-axis is 1 and y-axis is -5. So this is the coordinate, that is coordinate is A, 1, -5. Okay, second coordinate is B, that is -4, 5, -4, and this there will be a point -4, 5. Okay, we join these 2 points. This x-axis, as given in the question, this x-axis divide this line, that is B point and A point. This divide this point AB, line AB, into 2 parts by the x-axis, and we have to find the ratio in which this axis divide 2 points. Okay, suppose the ratio will be k ratio 1. Suppose the ratio will be k ratio 1. Okay, this ratio will be k ratio 1, and if any point which is on the x-axis have the y coordinate 0, this x-axis, any point on this x-axis having y coordinate 0. Okay, so this point will be supposed as x comma 0. Again, now using section formula, okay, what I said, that is to multiply the terms opposite, that is k is multiplied by x comma 0 is the dividing point, k is multiplied by 1, plus 1 multiplied by -4, 1 multiplied by -4 upon k plus 1. This is x coordinate. Now for y coordinate, k multiplied by -5, k multiplied by -5 plus 1 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 5 upon k plus 1. On solving, we get k into 1, k, that is 4 into 1, that is -4 upon k plus 1, that is -5k plus 5 upon k plus 1. Now this x coordinate is corresponding to this one, and this y coordinate is corresponding to this one, as I told earlier, that is 5 implies that -5k plus 5 upon k plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, on solving this, we get this one getting 0 on multiplying with 0, that is -5k plus 5 equals to 0, implies that -5k, this will go right side, this will become -5, minus cancel out this -1, so k will become 1. What is the value of k? That is 1. That means this line AB is divided by x into the ratio 1:1, that is the equal division. Okay, on putting the values of k into this point, we get the x coordinate, right? That is k minus 4 upon k plus 1 equals to x, implies that what is the value of k? K is equals to 1. 1 minus 4 upon 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to x, that is minus 3 upon 2 equals to x. The value of x is minus 3 upon 2. So this coordinate is minus 3 upon 2 comma 0. That is the answer of our question. So this topic, section formula, is considered as in the 3 marks for the board examination, and distance formula will be in the 1 marks or either in 2 marks in the board examination. Thank you so much for watching me.